Following the collapse of the UDP-led Executive Committee of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council under the leadership of Titostarwell Chyne on Monday, the election for its new chief had taken place today, the 20th of June 2023, whereby NPP's Pyniaid Syiem was elected unopposed. It may be reminded that certain discrepancies had been noticed by the opposition, which had promoted 7 of the 11 MDCs of the NPP and 6 of the Indian National Congress Party to move the no confidence motion against former CEM of the council.
But ngan ong baduna rukno babon rukno ka ngan mabampat tip ika figures te kat no tam kat no duna te ya kata ngatrai ngan sawanra haka budget session ka balong shai bha figures ka numbers nang baru apa kini te namar ki beriu benabar hi ki bamri ki khasi ki non tribals ngimla ban map iki ban ong bak kinshu Pyniaid iki kam ki jongki ki khai ki khabar jongki claim ki license te la don nang ikani ka provision jong dan ka trading by non tribal regulation act bante la kam ya kata ka jing thumo hi ka long ba ki nong seng ikani ka tu ka por ba ki wanra ini ka bill ka act ka jing thumo hi ka long ba kumno ba ki beriu jungi ki balala ban sengkam sengjam kinyo ban trekam kinyo eka business opportunity te kumbalong pat menta ki babun let's say ki balawan ban yekren shipang ka trading license let's say ban I application kumni kumtai ban renew ya kata let's say ngintip kam katu kat nipor nama barang shimti ngam la betip lut te Henry ka kawai ka message ka bang akwa ban ai yeki non tribals ki ba khai hangne what mood bakin yo lak ban khai lai lut dawan ka dikisi